The morning of 28th January, that is today, will go down in history as one of the most tragic days. Maharashtra has lost its Dada, Ajit Pawar. And as his family, party and loved ones go through this very, very difficult time, we remember a man who valued every moment of his life. So much so that in a twist of fate, it was his wristwatch that helped identify him. Here's that report.
अभी शाम तक रुको, अभी कल शपथ ली है ना।
उनका समझ में आएगा, मैं तो लेने वाला हूं।
In politics, where blunt honesty is rare and power equations align seamlessly with one's ambition, there existed a personality named Ajit Pawar. He was dependable for some, dost to others, and Dada for his supporters. Ajit Anantrao Pawar was the Dada of Maharashtra politics.
अभी शाम तक रुको, अभी कल शपथ ली है ना।
उनका समझ में आएगा, मैं तो लेने वाला हूं।
दादा को अनुभव है, दोपहर शाम को भी लेने का और सुबह भी लेने का।
He emerged from the shadow of his uncle within Maharashtra's biggest political family and kept navigating the toughest turns of politics on sheer strength and strategy. So much so that not just the party, but even the party symbol, the clock, came under his leadership eventually.
एक दफा बात हुई और फिर बाहर मैसेज ऐसा है कि अजित पवार ने कहा कि घड़ी लेनी चाहिए तो ही हम साथ जा सकते हैं। मैं ऐसे कैसे बोलूंगा?
The clock became Ajit Pawar's symbol, and that very clock, in the final moments of life, became the last mark of identity for Ajit Pawar.
और मैं दादा को देखा वहाँ पे, दादा का कुछ भी चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा था, सिर्फ उनकी घड़ी दिख रही थी। घड़ी, और घड़ी देख के हम शौक आ गए, शौक आ गए।
तो आपने घड़ी देख के पहचाना?
घड़ी देख के पहचाना, घड़ी देख के।
दोन दादा म्हणाले ते, दोन दादा म्हटल्यानंतर चंद्रकांत दादांना अजून आमचे पुणेकर मुख्यमंत्री महोदय कोल्हापूरचे समजतात, ते पुण्याचे वाटतच नाही। ही साले काय अडचण आहे, त्याच्यात जरा तुम्ही लक्ष घाला हो देवेंद्रजी, तुम्ही सगळीकडे लक्ष घालता, इथंच लक्ष घालत नाही। माझ्या आधी ते पालकमंत्री होते।
Date 28th January, time 8:10 a.m., place Mumbai. Ajit Pawar boards a Learjet 45 premium business jet for Baramati, accompanied by 5 others. At takeoff, everything appears normal. But then, within the next 35 minutes, something goes horribly wrong. The aircraft carrying Dada, known for always being punctual, is suddenly engulfed in flames.
मैं अजीत पवार जी के परिवार के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं। जिन साथियों को हमने इस हादसे में खोया है, इस पीड़ा की घड़ी में हम सभी उनके परिजनों के साथ हैं।
हम सभी के लिए इस प्रकार के जननेता को खोना एक अपरिमित इस प्रकार की हानि है। व्यक्तिगत मेरे लिए वो एक बहुत ही दमदार और दिलदार इस प्रकार के मित्र थे।
At the crash site, the wreckage was scattered everywhere. Fire reduced most to ashes. Identifying the leader, his security personnel, pilots, and crew members seemed impossible. But then, only 2 things were visible. First, the remaining tail section of the aircraft. Second, the watch on Ajit Pawar's wrist, by which leaders and supporters waiting in Baramati to welcome their Dada were finally able to identify him. The leader of the party with the clock symbol is recognized one last time by the very clock he cherished. Time always has its own plans. Who knew that a man so punctual would have his last identity traced by a wristwatch? Ghadi se antim ghadi tak. With Vasant More, Bureau Report, India Today.